Grand rising, everybody. I literally just woke up because I wanted to wake up early. It's 9 a.m. I wanted to get ready because today is braces. I'm so nervous still, but yeah, today is braces. I asked Alden to give me breakfast because literally, like, I've been craving vegan breakfast. Like, every day I just want it. Yeah, I want to do my makeup because they're gonna take before and after photos, and she can't be looking crusty dusty. I also found somebody to do my hair last minute, so she hit me up yesterday. It was like 2 o'clock or something like that. She's like, I have an opening. You would have thought I screamed. My skin looks so good right now, guys. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Yeah, I was just like so happy. So my hair is done. It's in a silk press right now. I sleep wild. It actually came off, but luckily I woke up, you know, before I was laying on it. So I was just kind of like laying like this. I usually lay like this anyway when I have a silk press. Like, I'd be like this, literally, or like this. That's, I don't know. I guess it's out of habit. And so it's kind of came off, but not quite. So it's okay. But yeah, I'm extremely nervous, but I'm also excited. Like, what does Cardi say? Ooh, butterflies. That's how I feel. Like, my stomach is just like, my solar plexus is just popping off. But I know, like, I just feel my inner child. I could just cry for my inner child right now. She is so happy because I wanted braces for so long, and I was so insecure about my teeth from, like, pretty much once I started losing my baby teeth. Because for one, I lost them later than everybody, so I didn't lose my baby teeth till like 3rd grade, right? And then when they came in, they were just horrible, and I instantly wanted braces, and my mom would kind of have me go to appointments. Like, it was almost like a teaser. And I remember they told me, they was like, we're gonna have to break your jaw. And I was like, at this point, I don't care. Like, as a little kid, I said that, like, I was a little nervous, but I was like, that's fine, whatever. I was like, no, let her face grow in, like, you know what I'm saying? And it was like talking about surgery, this, surgery, that. It's another reason why I didn't go with the other place, because they was like, oh, we'll try and fix this, and then we'll see, and then maybe surgery. I'm like, I don't need to hear maybes. I need to hear, yes, we can do this. My other ortho, he's like, yeah, we can do X, Y, and Z, no problem. We just need this, this, and that. Boom. But today will be the last day I get to brush my teeth. I brushed my teeth last night too, and I was like, oh my god, this is the second to last time. And so today I'm like, this is the second to last time, which was a bust because last night I had some chocolate because I was thinking, like, literally this is gonna be like one of the last times for a while till I have some chocolate. Like, I probably won't eat chocolate for like 2 weeks. I mean, I guess I can suck on it, but like, when it's like practically almost the raw cacao, and it's just like, you know, you don't want to just bite it, you just, you know what I mean? Or you want to bite it, you don't want to just let it melt. So that's what it is. I also have a lot of orders, child. I was like, kept hearing the Shopify thing go off, bro. So it's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. Look at this. This is why you keep God in your business. Look at this. At 9 a.m. This is just 9 a.m. I'm like, this is better than yesterday and the day before that combined. And we're only at 9 a.m. Yesterday was 4:46, right? And yeah, I don't remember the day before. I want to say the day before was like 5 something. But, you know, this is just gross. So for the month already, we're at $26.89. I know a lot of people want to do Christmas shopping and things like that. And so that's why, like, you know, I figured last month and this month were going to be like my best months. And I feel like next month is going to be more of like return customers. But essentially, like, a lot of my profits go to everything else. Like, essentially, I don't get enough money to get paid, like, for the work that I do. I recently had to up my prices. It wasn't anything like extreme, but I had to for several reasons. And one of those reasons being that I was not making enough profit. Like, I'm still in the red. So I need that to be clear. Still in the red because of the amount of money that I have spent on the business versus the amount I've made. It's a negative, okay? But that's okay. You know, that's what income tax write-offs and all that are about. So I just get that money back. But at this point, I've definitely spent over $10,000 on my business alone. Out of my own money, not out of, you know, business and stuff. But that reminds me, I have to buy more labels. I'm going to get my makeup done right now. We'll do my makeup. My last meal. Okay, I feel like somebody on death row. I probably won't eat all of this, to be honest. But this is from Plant Power. They got a couple of locations in Southern California, but it's vegan. I just got a sausage, egg, and cheese. Like, here, I'll let you guys see it. And almost like, you know, McDonald's style. And then hash browns. And I'm also drinking this calm drink. I'm gonna try and remember to link it in the description box. But essentially, calming magnesium drink. It really does relax you. I wanted to make sure I had some before I go because, like, as time goes on, my, you know, anxiety is like, hey. I don't even want to say anxiety. I'm just really nervous. I think I'm hyping it more than what it's gonna be. But yeah. So shout out to Alden for getting me my last meal. Okay. We had more sales since the last time I came on. It was just 10 o'clock. Right? Well, it's 11, like barely just turned 11. But I'm now at 8:22. I will eat my food, finish my makeup, probably get ready and then come back. I'm like a whole brand new girl. Yes. I just finished getting ready. Okay. I'm wearing this shirt again, the same shirt that I wore Vlogmas day 1. Yes, I have a washer and dryer, so that happens. I'm wearing these glasses today because this is the vibe I'm giving. Okay. I'm giving money. That's what I'm giving today. So, because you know I'm finna be with the Caucasians today. Oh, I got 37 orders to pack now. I was gonna go ahead and pack 2 orders. We have 22 orders today, so I'll be able to get them out already, but today has been blowing up, so I'm just going to assume that we're gonna have even more orders. Wow, somebody ain't playing. They bought 4 enhancement bundles. Y'all ain't playing. They're probably gifting them because, you know, it's Christmas time, so I get it. I kind of figured this was gonna be a large month for me. I just hope that when I get home from my appointment, I'm not dying of my teeth hurting and stuff. That being said, I still need to finish this calm drink. And I need to look like I'm at a 90s party, look. I need to take some stuff. I'm just like, I'm feeling in the solar plexus, but I also feel like my inner child is super hype. My inner child is super happy. My inner child has been wanting this for so long. And when I say so long, I mean so long. She was begging her mom. She was begging everybody. And girl, you could afford it now. Okay? You give me yourself exactly what you want, girl. And I'm proud of you. So I feel the energy of her being excited today. Like, I could just feel, you know, the kid like jumping up and down like, oh my God, yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the bathroom right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm at the orthodontist and I'm so nervous. I feel like I gotta poop. I have to go to the bathroom. I don't know. I feel like I gotta fart. Like, they're delaying my appointment. Like, so it's been about 30 minutes. I finished my paperwork early. Like, I came in extra 15 minutes early, but they still haven't seen me, which I hate. Like, cool, after the second time I get these bitches, you know, after coming the second time, but the first time, they had me up a wall. Like, I'm ready to walk out, change my mind, like, everything, but I gotta go to the bathroom first. And then I'm gonna let you guys know. Obviously, I'll see you guys when I have my braces on. Oh my God. So I had to go to Whole Foods. Okay, I know it's late. I mistook my delivery. I don't know why, hang on. Okay, I mistook the delivery for it being like today. It's actually supposed to be tomorrow, which I don't know if that's going 100% work because I getting my nails done at 3. They talking about they might deliver between 4 to 8, so I don't know. We'll see. Cause she took like an hour and a half to 2 last time. But let me show you guys my teeth. I hate it, low-key. Okay, so they didn't put on, that's one thing that's annoying, is like the placement, because you know I have higher teeth, so they've placed it higher, so it's not just one even go. And so my lips, like, I have to keep readjusting, right? I ate for the first time earlier because I was starving, and I thought the delivery was coming, but it's not. So we're actually at Hungry Angelina's. I'm not gonna sit and eat because obviously, like, oh my god, you guys can't even see it. Oh, there we go. This is in Long Beach. Like, I think this is called like 2nd Street Town Center. I don't know, child, but anyway, I don't have a wire because I'm sure a lot of you are like, why is it just the brackets? Because I had to get some teeth pulled. So this one, they're gonna take, and then that one right there, they're gonna pull, and then I can get the wires and all of that on. Appointment is not till January 28th, so I have like essentially a little bit over a month to get my teeth pulled, so that's nice. But what I will say is, like, I don't even think that you're gonna really see it. Like, I was worried about that, but with the braces in the way, when I'm talking, like, when I laugh, ha 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 ha, yeah, you'll probably see it. Like, especially this one, but for the most part, you're not gonna really even notice because when I talk, like, it covers everything, you know. Now it's not as open. It is cutting up my mouth. I didn't expect it to. And see, I was gonna buy wax, and Alden was like, no, don't buy wax, you don't need it, they're gonna give you all kinds of wax. They didn't give me anything, and the tops of the brackets are like sharp. I mean, y'all seen braces before. I also got purple. I was gonna get brown, but they didn't have brown. First I was gonna do silver, then I was gonna do brown, but they didn't have brown, and so I just got purple because obviously that's my brand color. But you guys can see I didn't end up getting my teeth whitened, but I kind of regret that a little. But yeah, and also these braces are making my teeth look more crooked, like they're making them look more inward, which they kind of are that way. But yeah, you can see, I feel like them on, I look more like I have crooked teeth, if that makes sense. But it's not, I don't know, it's like I don't hate it and I don't love it. Does that make sense? Just came to pick up because they closed at 8, and like I didn't want to come sit and eat really fast, and you know, so I got 2 different kinds of pasta, so hopefully like one of them will be okay for me to eat. But I ate like some vegan corn dogs, and that shit was all in my teeth, but luckily I had a water pick. So I tried the water pick for the first time, and it really did hurt my mouth. Like, I don't know, like it just felt like soreness a little bit. So I mean, I'm kind of glad that I have this on first, so I get to like ease in. It's not as bad. But I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's my hair, my makeup and stuff. I feel like I look like an a-hole. Like, I look mean. I feel like.
What?
Don't I look mean? Like, I feel like with the braces, I don't know, maybe it's the makeup and the hair, the braces, but I feel like I just look mean.
Nah.
I mean, I'm a Virgo, y'all say we mean, so we're just straightforward, that's all. And we tell you the truth, and we're honest, and people can't handle it. And we live our life that way, and people don't like it, but that's too fucking bad. We're driving, so, you know, our parents told us we wasn't supposed to keep them things on because, you know, you're gonna get pulled over, because they know they was doing coke. Bad. That's all it was. But yeah, tonight I already packaged some orders. Today has been crazy. I am very close to, like, I'm pretty much expecting to make more than I did last month because of the way like the month has already gone, and it's only the 8th. But that makes sense because it's Christmas, and a lot of people are like tagging their family on TikTok like, hey, I want this for Christmas, you know. So what I'm going to do on the website before the weekend, yep, it's there a little bit, the list. Before the weekend, I want to add a gift card to the website, so that way if people, you know, just want to get a virtual gift card for their family and just to make sure that they have something, then I'm gonna do that, because I can't guarantee that people are gonna get their stuff by Christmas. Like, you know, pretty much like next week will be like the last for sure guarantee. On the 23rd through the 25th, 26th, I'm gonna be out of town, so Okay, bitch. That's gonna be y'all problem. I'm kidding. I just won't be here, so and I mean everything is closed anyway, so it's not like you guys can get your stuff ahead of time. I don't want to be that person who pulling up to the post office on December 24th, but I will do it on the 23rd. I need to get a suitcase, something, carry my, yeah, there's a lot that I have to do to prepare for this trip already, so I'm gonna be busy. Oh, I have a little orb on me. Anyway, I'll see you guys later tonight while I'm working. I'm gonna be working my ass off, so I might end up staying up as per usual. You know how the girl does her. See, I actually don't hate it when I have a lot of bright light on me. I think my teeth look good, but I don't know. It's an adjustment.